Sup everyone, I'm your host Elijah, and let me welcome you to another video produced by Financial Anatomy, the place where you can take control of your financial destiny. Here on this channel we talk about personal finance, side hustles, how to make money online, and apps that involve money in any way. That involves managing money, spending money, budgeting money, and investing money. And in this video we're going to be talking about the Cash App. So some of y'all have had questions around exactly how do I cash out my balance out of my Cash App account. So you have, let's say, $100 and you want to get that money to your bank account and you want to cash it out on your debit card. How do you do so? Well, we're going to cover how to do that in this video. So we're going to move over to the computer so you can visually see on the screen how it's done. Before moving on to the computer, you want to make sure that you've actually linked the debit card. If you have not linked the debit card, you want to check this video out first where I go into details on that. Assuming you've done that, let's go ahead and move on to the computer. Okay, first thing we're going to do is open the Cash App. Then we're going to click our balance in the bottom left hand corner. And from here, we're going to go over how to cash out on your debit card. This is assuming you already have your debit card linked to your account. So if you haven't done that, you want to take a look at my video where I go over signing up on the Cash App, where I explain how to link a debit card to your account. So you want to click on the Cash Out button. Then you're going to be given an option on whether you want to transfer the money to your account or if you want instant. Now this green button right here lets you move the amount. So let's say you wanted to transfer all of it, you would put it to its maximum. If you want to transfer less, you just move it a little to the left and decide how much you want to transfer. Once you've decided what amount you want to go to your debit card, you want to hit the instant, and that will go ahead and cash out on the debit card Cash App has on your file. Now as you see, there's a fee that's attached to here, and you want to be mindful that you will get charged a fee for cashing out on a debit card from Cash App. The main advantage that this has over transferring to a bank account is basically the speed. You'll be able to get it right away within instantly to 10 minutes. But with the bank account, it's going to transfer slowly and take 1 to 3 business days, but there's no fee attached to it. Another thing you want to make sure is whatever debit card you have on file, make sure it's not blocked, because if it's blocked, the money is just going to bounce back to your Cash App account. So now you know how to cash out the balance in your Cash App account to a debit card. Just as a side note, make sure your debit card isn't blocked because it won't go through. But that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. If there's another type of video you want to see involving the Cash App, feel free to leave that in the comment section too. We'll look at making that into a video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when another video drops, and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. It's much appreciated. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny. I will catch y'all on the flip side.